Hi, hello, my dear students. Today we discuss about second year zoology, unit 1A digestion. Unit 1A digestion. This class C4. This class C4. Zoology, second year. Okay. Unit 1A digestion. Unit 1A or contain digestion. This class or this video C4 fourth class. Next 1 8 2 1. Okay. Today mainly we discuss about digestion in the stomach of proteins. Today we discussion about digestion in the stomach. In proteins, in proteins. Food is temporarily stored in stomach 4 to 5 hours. Temporarily stored in food material stomach only 4 to 5 hours. Temporarily stored food in stomach 4 to 5 hours. And next one, stomach walls or stomach has gastric glands. Stomach walls or stomach has gastric glands. Gastric glands. Gastric glands secreted by gastric juice. Gastric glands secreted by gastric juice. Temporarily stored by food material in stomach only 4 to 5 hours. And after gastric glands secretion of gastric juice. Next one, stomach muscles are contraction or movements mixed with the total food material with gastric juice. Mixed with the gastric juice. So this is the only outlets. Next one, food material digestion. Proteins, stomach secrete gastric juice. Gastric juice has bicarbonates. First one, bicarbonates. And second one, proenzymes. Proenzymes. Gastric juice secreted by stomach. Gastric juice has bicarbonates and proenzymes. proenzymes, pepsinogen and prorenin, pepsinogen and prorenin. These are the enzymes, proenzymes. And next one, HCl, acetic acid. HCl, acetic acid. HCl kills the microorganisms. HCl roll off kills the microorganisms. So these are the juice, gastric juice. This is the gastric juice elements: bicarbonates, proenzymes, and pepsinogen, prorenin. These are the proenzymes. And next one, HCl, acetic acid, kills the microorganisms. Okay, digestion of proteins in stomach. Prorenin, it is the inactivate enzyme. It is the inactivate enzyme prorenin. Prorenin activated by renin. Prorenin activated state renin. Prorenin is the inactivate state. Prorenin converted by renin. This is active state. Next one, pepsinogen is the inactivate enzyme. Pepsin converted by pepsinogen converted by pepsin. Pepsin is the activate state. Okay. Next, casein. Casein digested by calcium paracaseinate. Casein to be changed calcium paracaseinate. Calcium paracaseinate to be changed peptones. Peptones divided proteases and peptones. This is the digestion in stomach of proteins. So first one, temporarily food material stored by stomach. Stomach walls, muscles contraction. Stomach has gastric glands. Gastric glands secreted by gastric juice. Gastric juice has bicarbonates and proenzymes. Proenzymes is pepsinogen and prorenin. Next one, HCl. HCl is the kills the microorganisms in food material. Okay. Next, digestion. Prorenin. Prorenin is the inactivate state enzyme. This enzyme converted by renin. Renin is the active state. Next one, pepsinogen is the inactivate enzyme. This enzyme converted by pepsin. This is the active state. Next one, casein converted by calcium paracaseinate. Calcium paracaseinate converted by peptones. Peptones converted by proteases and peptones. This is the digestion of proteins in the stomach. Okay. So next one. So many times asked this question. What is time? It is very important in IT. It is very important in IT. What is kind? What is kind? So the food is mixed thoroughly with the acidic gastric juice of the stomach. The food is mixed. The food is mixed thoroughly with acidic gastric juice of the stomach by the charming movements of its muscular wall, and the product is called chyle. This is the answer. It is very important 2 marks. So question. What is chyle? What is chyle? The food is mixed. The food is mixed truly with the acidic gastric juice of the stomach by the churning movements of its muscular wall, and the product is called chyme. End product is chyme. Okay. What is chyme? What is chyme? Ask me this question. IPA examination. Very important. What is chyme? Okay. What is chyme? The food is mixed. The food is mixed truly with the acidic gastric juice of the stomach by the churning movements of its muscular wall, and the product is called chyme. So this is very important 2 marks. Next, what is the hardest material in human beings? Secreted by cells. What are the secreted by cells? What is the hardest material in human beings? And what is the secreted by cells? Okay. Hardest material in human beings. Hardest material in human beings. Enamel. 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 And what is the hardest material in human beings? Enamel. It is very important in IP. Okay. Next, enamel are dentate. hardest material animal. So completely this question. Write down. What is the hardest substance in the human body? What is the hardest substance in the human body? Is very simple. Hardest substance in human beings. Dentine or animals. Dentine or animals. This is the hardest substance in the human beings. Answer is very simple. Only two words. The first word, dentine or animal. What is the hardest? What is the hardest substance? Substance in the human body. So answer dentine. Dentine. Next one. What is its origin? Next one. What is its origin? Okay. What is its origin? Immunoblast. Origin in amyloblast. So next, once again, what is the hardest substance in the human body or human beings? Very important in public examination point of view. This is the 2 marks. What is the hardest substance in the human body or human beings? So, answer is very simple. One word, dentine. One word, dentine. Or animal. Or animal. Next, what is in origin? What is in origin? Or what is it origin? What is it origin? Immunoblast. So, this hardest substance is secreted by immunoblast cells. Immunoblast cells. Only two words. Answer is only two words. One word, dentine, and next word, amyloblast. What is the hardest substances in the human body? Answer is dentine. What is its origin? Answer is amyloblast. Amyloblast. So, this is the very important question in IPE. Okay.